Hi, I'm Anna. Okay, wait, let me start over.
Talking to yourself again?
Maybe. Okay, this is the moment. Let's do this right. Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Today, talking about yourself in English. 5 situations. Real phrases. Say them tomorrow. Let's go.
Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I just moved in last week. I'm Anna, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Jay.
Nice to meet you too.
So, what do you do?
I work in graphic design. I'm actually still looking for a full-time job, but I freelance right now.
That's great. Do you like it here so far?
I do. Everyone's really friendly.
Where did you live before this?
I was living downtown, but it was a bit too noisy for me.
I totally understand that.
Well, I should get going, but it was really nice meeting you.
You too. See you around.
Say these out loud with me. Hi, I'm. Nice to meet you. What do you do? I work in. Or, I study. It was nice meeting you. One more time, a little faster. Nice to meet you. Now with your own name. Pause and say it out loud.
So, Anna, tell me a little about yourself.
So, I'm Anna, and I do design, and, I have a cat, and... Okay, that was not it. Let's try again.
So, Anna, tell me a little about yourself.
Sure. I'm Anna. I'm a graphic designer with 3 years of experience, mostly working with small businesses on branding. I'm really passionate about clean, simple design, and I'm excited about this role because I'd love to work on bigger projects.
That's great to hear. What would you say is your biggest strength?
I'd say it's my attention to detail, and I'm someone who works well under deadlines.
And is there anything you're currently working on improving?
Actually, yes. I'm working on my public speaking skills, since design reviews can involve presenting to a big group.
That's a very honest answer. I like that. Perfect. Thank you, Anna.
See? Mistakes happen, you just breathe and try again. These sound more professional. Use them in interviews. I'm a job title with number years of experience. I'm passionate about. My biggest strength is. I work well under pressure. I'm currently working on improving. I'm excited about this opportunity because. Try it now. Your job, and I'm passionate about something you love. Say it out loud.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Jay.
Hi Jay, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. So, what brings you here tonight?
I'm actually between jobs right now, doing a bit of networking. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I came here hoping to meet some people in the industry. Outside of work, I'm a bit of a coffee enthusiast, and I love hiking on weekends.
Oh, nice. I'm more of an indoor person myself. I'm really into cooking and photography.
That's a great combination. Actually, you could photograph your own food.
Ha! I hadn't thought of that, but you're right.
Do you have a card, by the way? I'd love to stay in touch.
Sure, here you go. Feel free to reach out anytime. So, Anna, where are you originally from?
I grew up in a small coastal town, but I moved here for work about 2 years ago.
That's a big change. What made you decide to move?
Mostly the job opportunities, but I also wanted a change of pace.
Do you get to visit home often?
A couple of times a year, usually during the holidays. What about you? Where did you grow up?
I've actually lived in this city my whole life.
For talking about where you're from. I'm originally from _____. I grew up in _____. I moved here about time period ago. I've lived here my whole life. What about you? Where are you from?
So, what are your plans for the next few years?
I'd like to grow into a senior design role, and maybe eventually start my own studio.
That's an exciting goal. Any specific steps you're taking?
Right now, I'm building my portfolio and taking on a few bigger client projects. What about you? Any big plans coming up?
I'm actually hoping to switch industries sometime next year.
That's a big step. Good luck with that. What brings you here? I'm a bit of a hobby enthusiast. I'm more of a type of person. I'm really into. In the next few years, I'd like to. Right now, I'm working toward. Pause the video. Answer out loud. How would you introduce yourself at a party? Now it's your turn. I'll ask a question, pause and answer out loud. Question 1. Hi. I'm Anna. What's your name? Question 2. Nice to meet you. What do you do? Question 3. What do you like to do outside of work or school? Question 4. Where are you originally from? Question 5. What are your plans for the next few years? Great job. You just introduced yourself in English, for real. 6 quick fixes. Don't say, I am agree. Just say I agree. Don't say, I have 25 years. Say, I am 25 years old. Don't say, my name is called Anna. Say, my name is Anna, or I'm called Anna. Don't say, I am working in a company since 3 years. Say, I've been working at a company for 3 years. Don't say, I am boring. That means you're a boring person. Say, I am bored. Don't say, what is your good name? Just say, what's your name? Small fixes. Big difference. Pick one mistake you make often. Say the correct version out loud 3 times. What do you do means your job, not your hobbies. Between jobs or studying? Just say it. It's completely normal. Keep it short, 1 or 2 sentences. Add more only if they ask. Don't ask new acquaintances about age, salary, or weight. Those questions feel too personal in English. A little humor is welcome. A joke about yourself, like being bad at cooking, makes you more likable. If someone gives you a compliment, just say thank you. Don't argue with it or brush it off. And smile when you say your name. It matters more than people think. Great work today. Casual, professional, social, you've got all 3 now. Now it's your turn. Tell us about yourself in the comments. See you next time.